Hey, my people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on more hot sets we got coming at you. Okay, so let's get into it. Today we got some nail hauls coming from a couple different places. We can start with some stuff I got from Long Hair Pretty Nails. First, I got her nail files. I always see Evie using these on her YouTube videos. If y'all haven't checked her out, just search Long Hair Pretty Nails, and the girl is dope. She's been doing it for a while, and she be killing it. But I always see her using these files, so I wanted to try them out. And there we go, 100, 180 grit. And she loves her gems, and she sells them on her website as well. And I love this color. It is a pretty like aqua blue kind of. So I had to get down with those. And if I can, I'll put up a picture of a set that I did using these on the page. And we also got some more crystals. Look at the dimension to those. And she also sells these little boxes where you can put those crystals in. And here's the big mama. We got the crystal set, which is a whole big old box of these gorgeous shimmery crystals. And of course, I had to get them in pink. When I saw she had pink, oh my gosh. Look, I turned out the lights so you can see it a little better through the shine of the box. Get focused, and there we go. I think I had to turn back on the light. There we go. So you can see those. How gorgeous are those? Alright, so that's it from Long Hair Pretty Nails. And then I believe next up we got some stuff that I got from Makartt. So first, we got the Sweet Craving set. We got the why am I saying we? It's just me, but I got the marble inks from them, and they had them in these pretty pastel colors. I haven't had marble ink in pastels like this, so I'm gonna have to see how that works out. And I did end up doing a set with these afterwards, and they actually worked out great. We got some more crystals, but these were free, so they came free after you spent so much money, or I think it was just free with certain purchases. And here we have Gino. Sit down, boy. Sit, Gino. Sorry, I had to get my dog to sit down because he's going to be making so much noise. And we have our disco gels here. This is not the new disco gel set. This is the one they already had. And if you don't know what disco gels are, these shine when you put a flash on them. And these are not discos. I just needed these colors. They had them on sale, I think, for like $6. So I had to get a red, a cream, and a gold. And I have to start getting the glitters. And this one is gorgeous. I couldn't get the big set, so I just I'm going to buy them one at a time. And this one is Moonbeam. Then we have Amazon, and it wasn't open like that. That was me. And I got some nail tips. Full cover tips that I probably just use for my practice hand, or whatever. They had them on sale, so boom, got them. And this is Coffin. And that was everything for the haul. So let's put it all out. We got our tips, our jewels, our nail file, and our cases, our free gems, our glitter, our extra colors, our alcohol inks, or marble inks, or what the Makartt calls them, I believe. And then our disco gels. I will swatch the disco gels and the other colors so you guys can see what they look like. Oh, and I did get some tape measures, but I don't know why I didn't show those. But here we have our gel polish. So we can go ahead and swatch these out real quick. I just noticed I don't have that many nude or rosy light colors, so I need to step my game up and get more of those. And as you see, I don't know if you can hear that, but my dog is just walking around after I asked him to sit. Being loud. That's a nice creamy kind of tannish pink color. I do approve. Gonna do a second coat on that. Very pretty. And then we have scarlet here for our red. And I will go ahead and just let you guys go ahead and watch the swatching. And next I'm going to swatch the disco gels after I get done with these three. And then I will be back. So we got those all swatched, and let's lay them down. I just love that glitter. Even without the flash, it's a really nice glitter. But we are going to add the flash and boom. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that isn't everything. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. If you like what you see, remember to go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you feel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. It really goes a long way to help my channel. And as always, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye.